Dear students, how are you doing with your online classes? Are you enjoying your classes? Okay. Students, there are millions of children in our country who are compelled to work in hotels, factories, industries, fields, etc. Some of them work as rag pickers, dishwashers, domestic servants, etc. Some children even ran away from their homes because of various problems and difficulties at home. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about Velu, a runaway boy. The name of the lesson is Children at Work. The name of the writers are Geeta Wolf, Anushka Ravishankar and Urjit Sen. Students, the lesson begins with Velu, an 11-year-old boy. He runs away from home because his father beats him. He gets into the Kanyakumari Express and reaches Chennai Central. He sits down on a bench. He does not know what to do and where to go. Suddenly, he heard someone calling him. It was Jaya, a rag picker. She is also about 11 years of age. She carried a big sack on her shoulder. Velu found her picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and putting them into her bag. She is intelligent and knows that Velu has run away from home. She sat next to him on the bench. Jaya knows that Velu is hungry. She said that she could find him food if he went with her. Then we find Velu following Jaya. He found a large number of vehicles on the road. He could not read signboards because he could not read English. After some time, they reached a banquet hall. There was a wedding. Velu thought that they were going to eat there. But Jaya took him to a garbage bin behind the building. There she found a banana and a vada for Velu. He did not like to eat the leftover food, but the girl told him that it was untouched food and Velu ate them unwillingly. After this, Jaya told Velu that she was going home as she had more work to do. Velu also accompanied Jaya to her home. So Velu also went to her house. On the way, they reached a row of huts which were made of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood, plastic, etc. Velu thought that they were strange huts because in his village huts were made of mud and palm leaves. At the end, Jaya gives Velu the work of a rag picker. She told him to go to work with her. Velu did not want to be a rag picker, but he was helpless, and so he decided to do this work till he got a better job. So students, this is a very sensitive and sad story. It is the story of two rag pickers, Velu and Jaya. The story wants us to focus our attention towards the miserable condition of slum children. They have no opportunities to go to school and to play games like other children. Their childhood is lost in ignorance, dirt, dust, and hard labor. The story teaches us to be sympathetic towards such children and help them in every way possible. Is the message clear to you? Will you help the slum children? Very good. We shall meet again in the next session. Till then, keep on revising and learning.